In this video, we'll talk about these Excel functions, which is COUNTBLANK, COUNTA, COUNTIF, and LEN functions. But first, let's talk about how Excel can detect a pattern of numbers. For instance, let's say maybe you want to number these students. Just type 1, click hold, and drag it down. Now let's talk about COUNTBLANK. So COUNTBLANK, it counts the number of cells that are blank. So let's see how we can use COUNTBLANK functions. Just type equal COUNTBLANK, select the data, close bracket, enter. So it says one cell rather is empty. So what about COUNTA? So COUNTA counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. So select the data, enter. So number of cells here in this case is 8. What about COUNTIF function? So COUNTIF function counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given conditions. So COUNTIF, and select the data, comma. Let's say maybe you want to find number of students that got above 60. So you're gonna say greater than 60, quotation mark, close bracket, enter. So in this case, 3 students got above 60. What about LEN function? So LEN function returns the number of characters in a text string. It counts how many characters are in a string. For instance, we have the name James. Press enter. So that means the name James has 5 characters. Let's say maybe type space and K. Now press enter. So since James has 5 letters and plus 1 is going to be 6. Now let's type enter and see whether it's gonna give us 6. Notice that it gives us 7. So the reason why it gives us 7 is because this LEN function, it counts the space between James and K as well. So that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe so that others can discover my channel, guys. Thanks for watching.